So in my last video, I explained you how to create a graphical element in the edit page and export it and use it on your videos. But I found a new way of exporting because the last time when you export, you have that black background that you have to remove with the 3D keyer. And I found a new solution, and that's what I'm going to explain you today. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it also. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve in the edit page, and as you can see in my timeline I already have a solid background, this one blue, and if I put the clip that I exported in my last video, you can notice that the background is black, so you have to use the 3D keyer to remove all of that. And as I said, I discovered a new way of exporting the video without background. So let me show you the result with the new video is this one. As you can see, I use it and I don't have to 3D keyer because it already doesn't have the background. So let me go to here to my second timeline where I have the project. So I have the project here. If you don't saw the previous video, I will link a link over here and in the description that you can check. So I have the graphical element mounted over here, and now just have to go to the deliver page, and we have to do something specific. So you have the name and the place where you want. So you have to select the format is QuickTime, the codec, DNX HR, and over here export alpha. So now you add this to the render queue. It asks me because I already have the file over there, replace it and render all. And it's done. Now you can import your clips and they don't have the background anymore, so you don't have to use the 3D keyer. So as you could see, it's very easy and you don't have to remove the background on your videos anymore. So I hope this information was helpful and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet and hit that notification bell for my next video. Until then, bye!